If you've ever wondered how to save Photoshop as a PDF, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to export your Photoshop file as a PDF. Whether you want a small file for sharing, a high-quality version for printing, or a file you can reopen and edit later. This is one of those simple Photoshop skills that can save you a lot of time, especially when you need to send designs to clients, printers, or teammates. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump into Photoshop and get started. First, you need to open the Save dialog. Depending on your version of Photoshop, the PDF option may be located in Save As or Save a Copy. To do that, click File in the top menu bar, then choose Save a Copy. On older versions of Photoshop, you may see Save As instead, and that works the same way for this process. If you prefer using a shortcut, you can press Ctrl plus Alt plus S on Windows or Command plus Option plus S on Mac. Once the save window appears, choose the location where you want to store the file. That could be your computer, an external drive, or Creative Cloud if that is where you keep your work. Next, look for the Save as Type drop-down on Windows or the Format drop-down on Mac. Click that menu and select Photoshop PDF from the list. This is the key step that tells Photoshop you want to export your file as a PDF instead of an image format like JPG or PNG. After selecting Photoshop PDF, click Save. At this point, Photoshop will open the Save Adobe PDF settings window, and this is where you can customize the final output. If your goal is to share the file by email or keep the file size as small as possible, choose the smallest file size preset at the top. This is ideal when you want the PDF to upload faster or take up less storage. Then click the compression section on the left side and check the image quality settings. In most cases, setting the image quality to medium or high gives you a good balance between file size and visual quality, so your images do not become too pixelated. If you are saving the PDF for professional printing, you will want a different preset. In that case, change the Adobe PDF preset to high quality print or press quality. These options keep more detail in your document and are better suited for printers who need cleaner, sharper output. You can also review the options in this window. For example, if you do not want the print shop to edit layers inside the file, you can uncheck layers. But if you want to preserve extra visual information, you can leave embed page thumbnails enabled. Now, if you want to reopen the file in Photoshop later and continue editing, there is one very important option to know about. Check Preserve Photoshop Editing Capabilities. This allows Photoshop to keep your layers, masks, and adjustment data inside the PDF so you can edit it again later. Just remember that this will make the file much larger because Photoshop is storing all of that extra editing information inside the document. So if file size matters, only turn this on when you truly need to make future edits. Once you've chosen the right settings for your needs, click Save PDF in the bottom right corner. Photoshop will now compile the file and export it into PDF format. Depending on the size of your document and the settings you selected, this may take a few seconds, and that's it. You've now learned how to save Photoshop as a PDF, whether you need a small file for sharing, a high-quality file for printing, or an editable PDF for future changes. If this tutorial helped, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more Photoshop tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.